Hey kiddos, in our last lesson, we learned the numbers 16 and 17. Today, we are going to learn how to count, read, and write the numbers 18, 19, and the number 20. Are you ready to get started? I'm working on lesson 9-4. You'll find this in either your Bulldog folder or your backpack. You will also need a pencil or a crayon today. You can choose. Push pause so you can go get the materials that you need, and push play when you're ready to come back. All right, listen to this math story. Carlos has a collection of bird stickers in his sticker album. How can he show the number of bird stickers that he has? You could use your real counters if you wanted to use those to show how many, or you could draw them to show one way. Here are Carlos's bird stickers. Count them and use these 10 frames to show how many bird stickers he has. Let's see what you can do all by yourself. Go ahead and push pause and push play when you're ready to come back. All right, how did you do? How did you decide to show how many bird stickers Carlos has? Let's see if you did it the same way as me. First, I'm going to count these stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of stickers. Let's draw counters to show how many. Here we go, counting again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What did you do with this second 10 frame? We've been just starting a new row. Did you start a new row on the second 10 frame? So I'm at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 counters for 18 stickers. Wow. We've only been using one 10 frame and then putting the extras in another row. When we have two 10 frames like this, it's called a double 10 frame. Wow, can you believe that you are a big enough kindergartner to start using math tools like that? How exciting. Let's go ahead and turn the page so that we're on the right one, and then we'll get ready for our math video for today. All right, put your pencil and your crayon down, and let's take a look at today's video. Here we go.
What does the picture show? It shows some birds. How can you tell how many birds there are? You can count them. Let's count all the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Why do you see the number 19? There are 19 birds in all. Let's show 19 with counters. Move the counters into the first 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 10 frame is full. Now move counters into the other 10 frame. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How do the counters match the birds? Both show 19. How are these ways to show 19 different? One way shows 19 birds. The other shows 19 counters. What number do you see? It is the number 19. Why is this number shown? 19 is how many birds there are. Where do you start to trace? Start at this dot at the top. Trace down. Now trace the other number. Start at this dot at the top of the 9. First, trace around to make a circle. Now trace down to finish the 9. Read the number. It says 19. Now let's look at the number 20. How can you tell how many birds there are? You can count them. Let's count all the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Why do you see the number 20? There are 20 birds in all. Let's show 20 with counters. Move the counters into the first 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 10 frame is full. Now move counters into the other 10 frame. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How do the counters match the birds? Both show 20. How are these ways to show 20 different? One way shows 20 birds. The other shows 20 counters. What number do you see? It is the number 20. Why is this number shown? 20 is how many birds there are. Where do you start to trace? Start at this dot at the top. Trace up and then down. Trace across. Now trace the other number. Start at this dot at the top of the 0. Trace around to make a circle and finish where you started. Read the number. It says 20.
Drag the slider to each number to show 18, 19, and 20.
Okay, so see the slider here? Right now it's showing the number 18. We can see 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. If I move this slider down, there we go. You can see that they put another counter on the 10 frame, and now this 10 frame, this double 10 frame, shows 19. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now let's show 20. What do you think is going to happen? Look at that. When we show 20, both 10 frames are full. There's two ways that we could count this. We could count by tens, 10, 20, or we know that this 10 frame has 10, so we could count on from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We'll have a lot more work with counters and 10 frames. Let's keep going.
You have learned to count, to read, and to write the numbers 19 and 20.
All right, let's go back to our math papers and let's do some counting and some writing together. I'm going to get my crayon ready. All right, here we go. Remember, we're counting large quantities. That means a big amount. We have to make sure we have a strategy in place so that we count everything correctly. What counting strategy should we use? Are you thinking marking? Me too. All right, let's get ready to mark every one of these birds and count while we mark. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's write the number 19 to show how many birds there are. A 19 is a 1 and a 9. Make a loop and then a line. That's the way we make a 9. Let's do it again. 19 is a 1 and a 9. All right, let's count these little bluebirds. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's write the number 20. 20 starts with a 2. Go ahead and trace it. And then a 0. Very good. That's the number 20. The 2 and the 0 are right next to each other. There is no space in between. Let's write another 20 just for practice. Do the 2 first. Around and back on a railroad track. You made a 2 just like that. And then a 0. There we go. 20 is a 2 and a 0. Let's turn the page. All right. We are going to have lots of counting practice and writing the numbers. We're just going to do a couple of these, and then I want you to do some all by yourself. Which ones should we count? Let's count these cute little piggies. If you wanted to do all of them for extra practice, you can. But for right now, stay with me and let's work together. I'm looking at number 4 heart, and we're going to count these little piggies. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 little piggies. Let's write 19. 19 is a 1 and a 9. All right, we're going to skip down to number 7, Christmas tree, and let's count these blue fish. Get your crayon or your pencil ready to mark each fish while we count one number each time we mark. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's write a 20. 20 is a 2 and a 0. Very good. We just practiced counting and writing the number 19 and the number 20. Turn your page. It is time for some independent practice. I want you to push pause and do number 8, number 9, and number 10 all by yourself. Count each object, mark them as you count, and then write the number to show how many. Push pause and do that work all by yourself, then push play when you're all done. All right, how did you do? Compare your work to mine. For number 8 flag, I counted 20. For number 9 kite, I counted 18. 18 is a 1 and an 8. And for number 10 house, I counted 19. 19 is a 1 and a 9. If you made a mistake, go ahead and fix it. Let's do number 11 flower together. I want you to draw 18 counters and then write the number to show how many. Let's do it together. Since we're using a large quantity, remember, a big amount, our counters might have to be a little bit small to make sure we have enough room for them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Very good. Now let's write the number 18 to show how many. An 18 is a 1 and an 8. Do you remember how to write an 8? Make an S, but don't you wait. Come back up to make an 8. Great job. If writing the 8 that way is still a little tricky for you, let's do it this way. Draw your 1 first, and then 8. Remember, circle on the top, circle on the bottom. We call that the snowman way. 18 is a 1 and an 8, and you can write your 8 either way. Go ahead and turn your page. And we're to the homework pages again. This is homework that you need to do with a grown-up at home. Don't forget to show the grown-up that the directions are at the bottom. Make sure to put this in your Bulldog folder or in your backpack when you have it all done so that Miss Tia and I can check it at school. Before you go, let's take a look at the Another Look learning video today. Come on. This video is just a couple minutes long, so hang tight. Here we go.
What are those for?
Marta, not even a hello first?
Oh, hello. What are those for?
We're going to use them to count to 18, 19, and 20. Which color should we count first?
The blues, of course.
Let's find out how many blue cubes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
There are 18 cubes in that pile.
18.
Can we try another one?
Yes, please.
Let's count the green cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
We write the number 19 like this.
19. The purple cubes, please.
Right, let's count the purple ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Phew!
20 purple cubes. That's a lot of cubes.
I'm worn out. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Marta. See you next time.
I'm worn out too, and I'll see you next time.